Today, let's create something new, a complete AI film, 100% free and eligible for monetization. If you're worried that your AI videos aren't getting monetized, this video is for you. Many people just re-upload the same video or copy others, but that doesn't work. You need to create your own original content to get monetized. In this video, I'll show you how to write your own story and turn it into an AI video, completely free. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep sharing more useful tricks like this. Watch the full video on YouTube and see the complete process in action. Start creating your own AI videos today. It's easier than you think. First, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. You can either copy the prompt from here or from the description of my YouTube video. Once you paste the prompt, ChatGPT will generate an amazing story based on it. You'll be able to see the story yourself. The story depends on your preferences, whether you want it short or long. If you want a longer story, just type that clearly in your message. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a 500-word or even a 700-word story. It's completely up to you. The length of the story depends on what you prefer. If you want a longer story, just type, "Give me a 700-word story." And if you want a shorter one, you can say, "Give me a 500-word story." ChatGPT will instantly create a high-quality story based on your choice. Now, let me give you 8 powerful image prompts, and in every scene, we will include the character Scorpion King. Once you enter these prompts into ChatGPT or any AI image generator, it will create stunning visuals for your story. You can customize these prompts based on your story, make them longer, shorter, or add more scenes as needed. Remember, you can ask ChatGPT to generate as many prompts as you want according to your story. The better you guide it, the more amazing the results you'll get. Important: watch the full video. Don't skip any part. If you miss even one step, you might not understand the process properly. I will explain everything step by step, so stay with me till the end. Now, to generate images, the best website is called Pixlumen. I will use it and click on Generate for free. Pixlumen is a very good website, especially if you want to create AI films or movie-style scenes. Pixlumen is the best for that. Here, I will select the 16:9 size because that is the correct size for YouTube videos. Then, I copy the first prompt from ChatGPT and paste it. After a short wait, a very good image will appear. This is a very good website for creating images. In this way, I will keep copying and pasting prompts, and the images will keep getting generated. Pixlumen is an excellent AI tool designed for creating highly realistic images for films. It specializes in generating lifelike visuals that are perfect for AI-based film projects. Whether you're working on sci-fi, fantasy, or drama, Pixlumen delivers stunning cinematic quality images that enhance storytelling. Its powerful features help filmmakers bring their visions to life without the need for expensive sets or equipment. Pixlumen is truly a game changer in the world of AI film production and digital content creation. Now all the images have been generated. You just need to write the numbers on them. For example, the first image that you downloaded, write 1 on it. Then look at the prompts. For example, prompt 1, image 1, prompt 2, image 2. You can match the prompts and images according to your sequence. First, search for TTS OpenAI and click on the first website that appears. There, the best voice is called Tom. This is a very good website. You should also use it for AI voice. Now, I copy the story from ChatGPT, paste a short version of it there, and click on Create Speech. The AI voice will be ready. You can listen to it and see how good the voice sounds.
The year is 2039. Humanity has pushed the planet to its breaking point. Climate collapse, dwindling resources.
How to make AI videos, unlimited. For that, I will use 3 websites that are very good. Number 1, Digen. AI is a fantastic website that allows users to create high-quality AI-generated videos. It starts by giving you 300 free credits, which are enough to make around 10 impressive videos. The platform also provides daily credits, so you can keep creating without running out. With an easy-to-use interface and powerful features, Digen.ai is perfect for content creators. Right now, I have over 500 credits, and I'm enjoying making creative, professional-looking videos effortlessly using this amazing AI tool. Click on Create and then click on Upload. First, upload the first image, then paste the first prompt that you got from ChatGPT. After that, upload the second image and paste the second prompt. In this way, step by step, your video will start getting created. The next website is called Pixverse.ai. Pixverse.ai gives you 90 free credits to start, allowing you to generate high-quality AI videos instantly. It's a powerful and user-friendly platform for creating stunning visuals with just a prompt. Perfect for creators, marketers, and storytellers looking to bring their ideas to life effortlessly. Now here, I will click Upload the image and paste the prompt. And you can see, in just a few seconds, it creates an amazing AI video. You can clearly see how incredible the video looks, just like a real film. The next website is called hiluai.video. This is a great website. At first, it used to give 100 daily credits, and the starting credits were 1100. After that, it continued giving 100 daily credits. hiluai.video is an excellent and innovative platform for creating AI-generated videos with ease. Initially, but now, with the new update, it gives 200 daily credits. And now, you can create a video using just 25 credits. Earlier, it used to take 30 credits. With this new update, the website has become really amazing. Now you can see, I click here, upload the image, paste the prompt, and the video starts generating. You can see how awesome the videos look. First, check the video made on the first website. Then, check the result on the second website. And finally, check on the last website. All AI videos are now complete. In this way, you can use these 3 websites to easily create AI videos. After that, I will use CapCut. There, I will put all my video clips together. If there is any logo issue, I will just zoom in a little on the video to fix it. CapCut is a powerful and easy-to-use video editor, perfect for beginners and pros. It offers advanced features like transitions, effects, filters, and music. Ideal for creating professional videos for social media, YouTube, and more, all for free. Now my video is complete. Thanks for watching. Please like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Next time, I will bring another new method for you.